Yoti is making some bold claims about simplifying identity verification, but does it really deliver? With so many identity apps out there, is Yoti a trustworthy option or just another player in a crowded market? Let's find out. Yoti is an identity verification app designed to help users prove who they are without the need for physical documents. The core functionality revolves around scanning your ID and using facial recognition to create a digital identity that you can share securely. The app targets anyone needing to verify their identity online, whether for age verification, account creation, or even in-store transactions. Right off the bat, the user experience feels straightforward. You can easily set up your profile, and the interface is clean, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. One standout feature is the ability to share only the information necessary for a specific verification, enhancing privacy. However, there are areas that raise questions. For instance, the app doesn't clearly state how it handles user data or the security measures in place, which is a significant concern for many potential users. It feels like there could be more transparency regarding how your data is stored and protected. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, Yoti offers a user-friendly interface and the convenience of digital identity verification, which can save time and hassle. The privacy features allowing you to control what you share are also commendable. On the flip side, there are notable frustrations. The lack of detailed information about data security could deter users who are cautious about sharing personal details. Some users might also find the app's reliance on smartphone capabilities limiting, especially those without high-end devices. Additionally, while it aims to cater to a wide audience, those who prefer traditional verification methods might not find it appealing. Overall, while Yoti has potential, it's not without its trust concerns. In conclusion, Yoti could be a good fit for those looking for a modern way to verify their identity, especially if privacy is a priority. However, if you're skeptical about data security or prefer traditional methods, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth considering, but proceed with caution.